Show you how we do. Come and turn their heads when you come through. 'Cause you're old news now. 'Cause you're old news now. Lights up, time is wasting on you. I got all my people out here shot. Show you how we do. Come and turn their heads when you come through. 'Cause you're old news now. Lights up, light gonna shine on, baby, you're divine. So keep on fighting, find the horizon. Better rewind, no man is an island. Sounding the sirens, we and I let good things happen. Down with the silence, free your mind, and shake with the vibrance.
Well, good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. As you can see, there's been a terrific atmosphere here. There is great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here. Points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates. But regardless of the up to meet it, and kicked out by the most elastic of saves.
That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
And we have our very first corner. And now they can spring out of defence. So, what can they make of this?
That's good play from him.
Now the ball tries a shot!
What a super start. A total shocker for the opponents. Talk about how to wrestle control. That's how you do it. Well, we've seen the hunger to win it back and the focus to make it count. A very tasty combination.
After 10 minutes, number 29.
It is a super start. So far, so very good. So just one early goal to report so far. 1-0 the score. That's gone loose, and he's being shifted off it. Now, what about a counter-attack? Oh, easy pickings there. Interesting ball.
It's a decent chance to counter-attack.
Shifted upfield. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Well, that looks like a final warning. Still no card. dropped in behind. That's been intercepted. He's going to be disappointed with that. Now then, the ball's come loose. Flings it across. Goalkeeper's ball. Oh, Red, nice interception. He's got plenty of space out wide here. Oh, it's played into the air. Climbs up big! Sticks it away! 2 on and threatening to ball clear.
Yeah, I'd call that transition with bite. They won it back and bit hard.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
We're looking at a very different game now. The command has been established.
And he's away. Has to go!
Oh, that little shimmy had intelligence written all over it. So switched on.
A lot of space here, a real opportunity. Strong challenge, but well within the laws. He's looking for the runner here. That's a reprieve for the time being. It's a ball throw that, picked off with relative ease. He's done very well to take that back. Smartly reclaimed. He's going for goal! Oh, what a brilliant save. Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played. Shot could be... Can he finish? Now, who's going to be first to this? Oh, split-second reaction.
Really anticipated that well, didn't he?
They've played it short. And now a sudden chance to counter. Nice bit of skill, and he's away. Now here's the delivery.
Two added minutes has been indicated.
Oh, it's a promising build-up. There's plenty of really nice passing. Half-time whistle. How would you review the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
A half of massive entertainment and excitement. A 2-goal margin, yes, but all things still possible. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. Well, the defence proved infallible then. That won't be the last they'll see of him. The assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. Real chance! And the second half! It's in! And the second half is off to a flyer! Sharp, simple, satisfying. He just knew what was on.
Oh, look, there's only one player who merits all the praise for that. Not only did he finish it, but his instincts for being where he was are absolutely top-notch.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, I think they probably needed an early goal in this half just to give them the confidence and belief to push on and look for an equaliser.
Here's the cross. Crunching tackle. There's the hit! And for a moment, time stood still.
Well, I think the opposition was pretty sloppy in creating a problem for themselves then, but he was onto it so quickly and very nearly made them pay.
Gently done. I think that's a corner. Yes, it is. And number 2 then. Tries to get it clear. Nice interception. His positioning was spot on.
Yeah, they were looking for a counter-attack.
898.
Well, Jim, it is abundantly clear that the tone of this game has changed. He's one-on-one, and the shot! And that's a race for the ball. Decent hit! Just off target.
Yeah, I think he's going to be a bit disappointed with that, Peter. You would have fancied him to at least hit the target.
Gets it back. Oh, he's bustling through here. That defending is unapologetically persistent. It's almost personal, and it had to be. Oh, that's neat. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Oh, that's fabulous. Danger averted for now.
That's what has to be done now. No question about it.
They're coming again and again.
Spot on, Peter.
He's got away. Great chance! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
That is a really good chance missed, Peter. Certainly the way he's been playing.
Substitution in progress.
Time then for the first substitution of the game.
Well, it looks like they just want to introduce a new focal point to the attack.
Now he's off and running. Now the finish!
He should have put that one away. Oh, and a real chance to pile on the pressure, and he'll be desperate to get another.
Oh, that's a key interception. He's found a way through. Can he get it through? Shapes to shoot! And he's there to belt it away.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
That's a shade optimistic. Ooh, delicate chip through. Oh, well played, well played. Into the last 5 minutes. I think we're just about done here. It could be in here.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks. I thought it was going to happen then. How many more chances can they realistically expect now?
He has found a way through.
2 added minutes has been
And it's
indicated.
kicked out by a stubborn defence. And he's managed to get free. And he welcomes it in. And the shot!
And the referee brings it to a close. Well, that was close. Both sides playing their part in a great game of football. A real ride that had all of us glued to our seats from the very beginning.
Any reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
I think it's all about setting the right tone at the start of the match, and if you can back that up with an early goal, it just energises everybody, the whole performance. And
You know, it's a